36th competitive test, inverted comma start, where did you learn to sew, question mark, inverted comma close, inverted comma start, what kind of a machine have you got, question mark, is it electric or is it a hand machine, question mark, inverted comma close, inverted comma start, do you think we could do it, question mark, inverted comma close, inverted comma start, my goodness, comma, inverted comma close, inverted comma start, how do you do it, question mark, inverted comma close. The Punjab United Teachers Association claims that about 150 schools are without headmasters, full stop. Promotions are withheld either because of administrative inefficiency or because certain palms are not greased, full stop. The adjustments will be spread over a long period of time so that no unacceptable sacrifices are imposed on either side, comma, and the fundamental problems plaguing the world economy and retarding its growth are plainly got out of the way, full stop. New paragraph. The detail of the corps commanders conference, comma, release by the inter services public relations ISPR, punitive measures of termination of service or dismissal should be liberally resorted to in order to keep up efficiency and good discipline, full stop. The selection board for the West Pakistan Secretariat will now hold periodic competitions for the recruitment of staff, comma, and it will be possible to get better substitutes, full stop. No change in the rate of dividend is recommended, comma, but instead of placing a sum of money, comma, to general reserve, comma, the sum of 200,000 pounds has been transferred to fixed assets reserve, full stop. Intelligence agencies officials are targeted with insinuations and sensational propaganda for the furtherance of political objectives, full stop. New paragraph. The phraseology used in connection with bills is very interesting to him, comma, and in dealings with a bill he has, comma, of course, comma, to note the date of the maturity of the bill, comma, whether it is specially endorsed, comma, or has a restrictive endorsement, comma, or has on it the words without recourse, comma, or in case of need, full stop. New inverted comma start. Fire insurance covers damages to premises by fire, comma, and among other precautions, comma, automatic sprinklers are insisted upon where there are other than incombustible materials, full stop, inverted comma close. Afghanistan remained vital for the socio-economic development, comma, connectivity and prosperity of the region, full stop.